Hello, Regina. Hello, Mark. Hello, ReMar nursing nurses and future nurses. My name is Mr. Stacy Walters. Yes, that is Mr. I am now a registered nurse. It's taken me 4 times to pass the NCLEX. After 10 years, from start to finish, it's taken me 10 years to become a registered nurse. I started back in 2013, and here we are, 2023. I passed about 2 weeks ago, and nevertheless, I'm 56 years old, and I did it. Let me tell you about my trials. I had to take this test over and over and over while going through some tough times. I went through a very bad divorce. I had to move 7 times, but God was with me the whole time, saying, keep going, keep going. I came across a very good wife, a very beautiful wife, who encouraged me over and over and over to take this test one last time. And alas, I did it. I want to tell you also that I didn't do it alone. Regina, in her knack for teaching and educating, she kept pushing the virtual trainer 2 to me and to you and to everyone else. Virtual trainer 2 has better content, better questioning, and better results all around. I tried UWorld, I tried ATI just like everybody else. I tried Hearst, I tried Mark Lamette, I tried Archer. But when I came across Regina and the way she teaches and what she teaches and what faith she teaches all about, it did it for me. Last time I saw one of her videos, she said, you know what? Tear into these books. Make them yours. So let me tell you, this is Virtual Trainer 2. I got into it with this book. Let me tell you, all into it. And then she said, quick facts. She told me, if you don't make a mess out of quick facts book, it's doing you no good. I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. So I did. The very last few pages started coming out. It's a good book. But also, I'm going to tell you about faith. Regina and Mark, they are very good teachers of faith in God and faith in yourself. Mark is a pastor. He knows what the word says about faith, and he teaches Regina, and he encourages her to encourage us to have faith. So I'm telling you, you can, you must, you will pass NCLEX. I pass NCLEX next year with ReMar.